I'm Alex Klein, and I'm the venue coordinator at the UC IMC, Urbana-Champaign Independent Media Center. The original IMC was on Main Street, and eventually it sort of outgrew that space. They used to have shows and stuff there. I think in the early to mid 2000s, they bought this post office downtown in Urbana. Basically, the post people were actually moving out of it, and they moved to another facility, I think out of town, on the outskirts of town. And so they actually lease just a tiny portion of the building, and now the Independent Media Center owns the rest. So some of the groups that are in here, there's a whole bunch. We've got Books to Prisoners, and they're exactly what it says in the title. They package, ship, they fill requests. They basically take donations. They get letters from prisoners asking for certain books. They do their best to fulfill those requests, and they mail them over to the prisons. Next door to them, we have the Bike Project. The Bike Project started at the IMC. There's also one on campus, and they are a local, mostly volunteer-run DIY bike maintenance, repair, and sales collective. So it's pretty cheap to become a member, and you've got access to all the tools you'll ever need, not to mention a discount on new parts because they order them at wholesale rate. So we're a very handy thing. They're a big advocacy group as well, with trying to keep Urbana-Champaign a very bike-friendly town, which honestly, compared to so many other places, it's exceptionally so. We also have artists in residence. We got 2 artists here right now, Benjamin Bechem Atebek and Atef Ayadi, and you've seen probably some of their art all along the walls here. It tends to be a pretty diverse kind of set of groups that come in. So yeah, across the board, we got all sorts of stuff in here.